Hi students, now MCQ number 2. The velocities of three molecules are given as 3v, 4v and 5v respectively. Their RMS velocity will be. Easiest problem I can say, if such questions are also asked in NEET means we are lucky. So now how to find the RMS velocity? VRMS is now equal to square root of. We have to add the squares of their velocities, is it not? So squares, so this is 3v square plus 4v square plus 5v square, okay, whole divided by 3. So this is equal to 3 3s are 9v square plus 16v square plus 25v square divided by 3. And this is now equal to square root of 25 plus 16 is 41. Sorry, 41. Okay, 41 plus 9 is 50. So 50 v square divided by 3. So this v square can be taken outside the square root. So the remaining factor can be retained as what, the root over 50 by 3 times v. So what is the option A is the right answer, isn't it? Therefore, option A is the correct answer. So such questions also very fast flash, within half minute to 1 minute we have to complete in the competitive exam. I hope you must have understood it fine.